Okay, welcome. Hello guys, welcome again to our Python fundamental concept. Sorry, in this concept we'll be discussing about indentation or why do we need indentation. Indentation is very very important in Python. Very important in Python. In fact, every fundamental concept is very very important, but in indentation it's more important. So let's read out the meaning of indentation. Indentation is a specific distance we have to manage while writing Python code. We don't use curly braces in Python. We use indentation to separate specific blocks of code from others. If you're from other programming worlds, from our other programming brothers like Java, C++, and the rest of that, even CSS, you understand that all those use curly braces. They use curly braces. But Python, we don't use curly braces. We only use indentation, and it's very important in Python. It's very important in Python. So without wasting most of our time, let's dive straight to our VS Code, where I'll be showing you guys about um, more about the indentations. I'm gonna switch my program to my VS Code. Okay, these indentations. So let's say, because we're going to be using the if statements for this to run perfectly well for us. Okay, let us start declaring. Let us say A is equals to, sorry, is equals to, let's say A is equals to 3, while B is equals to 12. Then put our if statement if A is greater than B, you indent, print print B, print yes, A is greater than B. Hmm. Then let's make use of another function here. Another function here. Let's use the else statement. Else statement. What is the else statement? Indentation. Indentation. Let's put the indented block. Let's print. Oh, sorry. Print. D is greater than A. Let's save this. And run this. Let's run the program. Yes, A is greater than B because A is 23 and B is 12. So let's say you move this B to the side. Unexpected indentation. Indent not expected because it's not unique. The lines are not unique. So what you do, you just bring it back. Bring this one back. Bring this back. So I told you indentation is very important in program in Python, most especially Python. Yes, this this here. So Python deals with indentations. It's very important in Python. So this is indentation. This is how you indent in Python. So let's go ahead and make this a little bit fancier. Let's say um Let's say the voting age should be, let's say, let's give it this variable of voting voting age, supposed to 23. Sorry, let's say 23. Supposed to be 18. I don't know. Okay, my country here is 18. Nigeria, my country is 18. So I don't know where you want to connect. If voting age is greater than, let's say, voters age, mm, voters age. And let's do something to move faster. Let's request for the voters inputs. And also, if you want to collect data from user, you use the inputs function. Inputs, please fill in your age. Please fill in your age. So let's save this. Let's give it a shot. See what's gonna bring out. Please fill in your age. Say 12 years. Oh, sorry. If voting age is greater than voters' age, means you are not allowed to vote. If voting age is greater than the voters' age, then it said you are not allowed to vote. You are not allowed to vote. Get out. Then the if the voters' age greater than the voting age, then said congratulations, you may vote. Congratulations, you can vote. Let's do this. So this and then so you are not allowed to vote. Get out. Whoa. Are you being serious? Congratulations, you can vote. Okay, so this is about indentation. I just told you guys about the if and else function. So please don't try to memorize it, don't try to do more than this because you're gonna get confused. So just leave this when we get to the stage, when we get to the day of this if statement, I'll be teaching you guys more about if statement. I have other statements like if, else, if, and all of that. Yeah, so we'll be talking much about that. So just try to play around, try to see how you can manage or how you can write your own code and see. I'm trying to change some things here and put in yours, see how it's going to fit it. So, yeah, thank you. See you in the next section. Bye. I'm going to switch for now so I can turn this off.